So I'm going to experiment a bit more now with the sounds, and so I've got a new project here, but I'm going to get the scissors up here and just click on the cat and get rid of the cat, and we're going to add a new sprite. Go to choose a new sprite from file, and I've gone to the fantasy. We go to here, I've opened this folder, and I'm just going to choose this chap here. Okay, so I'll leave him as called sprite 1. Okay, I'm going to change the stage. Click on stage, go to backgrounds, going to import background, and because I am going for an indoors file, going for a sort of dancing theme, we're going to I'll probably choose this one here, the stage. Okay, so here he is, he's on the stage and he's going to do some dancing. So let's go back to scripts. Don't need this blank one, so I'll just delete that. Go back to the scripts for this sprite, and first thing we're going to do is go to motion. I'll click on the sprite rather than the stage, and we're going to drag in just the move 10 steps. So when I click on that, he just moves 10 steps. Okay, now next thing I'm going to do is go to the sound, and every time he moves 10 steps I want them to play the drum. So I'll just click on it and hear that he is playing the drum. Right, he's going in one way, and because I want him to dance, I'm going to go back to motion. I'm going to put another 10 steps in, but this time, instead of moving 10 steps, I'm going to click a minus there, make it minus 10, so that he will go back along the X coordinate. So now when I click it, he should go one way 10 steps, play the drum, and then come back. And he does, he just comes back very briefly. Okay, right, I'm going to make the steps a little bit bigger. Instead of 10, I'm going to make it 30, and we'll stick with this one, minus 30. Okay. Right, now I want him to do that more than once, so what I'm going to do now is go to control, and I'm going to drag this in, which is called forever, and pop it on there. Now when I click it, you can see he will continue, and I'm just going to click the stop there to stop him doing that. Okay, and rather than me clicking that, if I get this block now, which is the when the green arrow is clicked, he will start doing this forever. So let's click the green arrow. Okay, right. Right, now he's moving a little bit fast. What I'm going to do is grab this weight, and I'm going to put that above the move, but instead of 1 second, I'm going to make it into weight 0.25. Okay, let's see what happens now when we click the green flag. And you can see it's slowed it down because he's looping through these commands, but I'm making him wait. Okay, click stop. Let's add another instrument. So back to sound. I'm going to play another one this time. Instead of drum 48, let's choose something different. Let's go for electric snare. Let's have a listen to that. Okay, he's beginning to look like he's dancing. Okay, I'm going to click stop. What I'm going to do now is move him over there, and I'm going to add another sprite. So let's scroll down, see if I can find another one. And I think I'll have this chap here. Now I want him to actually be facing the first sprite, so I need to go into costumes, I need to edit it, and click the flip horizontal, so he's facing the other way, and say OK. Okay, now the quickest way to make him also do the dancing script is to copy this script. So if I click on the script for this one, I just click it, drag it, oops, didn't mean to do that, we'll just put that there. Drag it from the top and drop it on top of the second sprite, and we've now got 2 sprites, each with exactly the same script, but we're actually going to change the script for number 2. For one thing we can do is change the sounds, so let's go for acoustic snare, and let's change the sound on this one. We'll go for the bongo. Let's have a listen to that. Okay, and press stop. Now in order for him to start dancing just a little bit after this one starts, we can go to control, go to wait 1 second, and just put that there, so that what will happen is he will start dancing and this one will start dancing 1 second later. So if I click the green flag now, they should both start dancing on the stage. He starts first and then he joins in afterwards. Okay, and of course you can do the altering the looks as well, so I'll just change the color effect by 25. We'll just drop that in at the bottom. Now I want to see what happens. And this is on the green sprite. And you can see his colour is also changing. Let's do that to the stage. Let's go to script to the stage. We'll have, when the green flag is clicked, let's change the colour effect of this stage. We'll see what happens when we do that. Now, of course, what we need to do is add a forever, so that it continues to loop through. That's right, so it looks as though it's a disco environment. Right, it's going to be very noisy. I'm going to click the green flag and we should have both sprites dancing and the stage flashing. Okay, what we then do, of course, is save it, save your file. Once it's uploaded to the Scratch website, the children should be able to grab the embed code so they can drop it into their blog or onto their wiki or onto a Google website.